People are like, okay, what are you about? What is this business or ministry about? These are the building blocks of a web page. So I'm going to scroll and make this tiny, but you can see this is the big hero image, the big area there. What I live for and how I can be useful to you.
The logo is, can Chat GPT be used to create logos?
Yeah. Yeah. They've got an image generator in there. It won't give you the size that's like a custom size, but it will give you logos. And then you can take it to a designer and say, I really like the way that this crown is. Like, so we're King's Contact Pro. I like the way the crown is. Can you integrate these elements in an actual logo so I can have it? So a logo designer, and that's why they charge $1,000 to $2,000, $4,000 to create your logo.
If you don't have $5,000, you'll get a brand package and you
No,
just want something, just
you
want
just get something
something.
as a placeholder.
My wife does branding. She can't hear me right now, but she is one of those people that charge $5,000. And that's our whole thing. The reason why we set up all of this is because when somebody is going to apply to your one-on-one, they're not just going to look at this one-on-one page. They're going to go click on your homepage and they're going to read about you. Just tell people about yourself. Hey, this is why I'm doing it. It doesn't have to be hard. So you guys are building the foundations. Once you guys have these in place, know that this is what increases the likelihood that someone's going to stick with you for the rest of your guys' business is the about page. Done is better than perfect, always. So that's why I love AI so much, is because done is by far better than perfect. For me, Facebook has been a huge traffic source for my business for the last 8 years. It's where everyone hangs out.
I had to really change my philosophy because I'm so passionate about the mission work that I do. So I'm like, I had that as like the top. But what you're saying makes sense because I have to flip it and say, offer a service that supports the mission. And that's what I'm really focusing on.
If you make it easy for them to join, you're going to be surprised how many people just mosey on there. Right
Mhm.
now, inside King's Contacts Pro, you're going to be able to have the ability to have private membership groups
Mhm.
and that have their own chats and their own courses and lessons that they could unlock and pay for in those courses. Hey, this is a new thing. And here's what I highly encourage. What a lot of people, they'll donate one time. They also want to be a monthly subscriber to you guys. They want to help on a monthly basis. And if you never ask, you'll never get the monthly donation.
The funnel mapper, it's on its way. Jeff and I are working in the background to get it added to King's Contact Pro. It's
Todd,
going to be
over
amazing. It is literally a $47 a month additional software that is going to be included for free, just so you can launch your mission and get your mind wrapped around your assets that you're building. So the cornerstone of your entire online presence is your website.
A lot of this is just like a little mind blowing in a good way to get you outside the box of like where I was traditionally. And so like that mind mapping thing was like, woo, that was really awesome.